Okay, the day has finally come for the photo shoot in the MR2. I'm just hoping the weather holds out. Now, I've got to go get it prepared for this photo shoot, but yeah, it's kind of overcast right now. But I still need to get it washed up because it's definitely dirty. Now, we're gonna go get it washed up. Because, yeah, she's a dirty girl. Let's see what we can do. Bye. I'll be back soon. All right. Usually I wash my own vehicles with my own pressure washer, but it's kind of hot out today as of right now. And I don't feel like washing this in the sun because it's a very, very dark vehicle. Washing a dark vehicle in the sun, not necessarily a good idea. Starts right up every single time. Like good old Honda reliability there. Oh, I forgot to take the turbo cover off. And you're probably wondering why it still runs with the turbo cover on. And that's because the blow-off valve stays open because it opens under vacuum. So, if I were to try to hit any sort of boost at all, then it wouldn't run. Good old power windows, I love this. Power windows are amazing on this car because then I don't have to reach over, manually open the windows. We're just ready to go. All right, let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. Man, this thing's crazy with the noises it makes. I hope you guys can hear that as much as I can because it's just freaking great. God, that's fucking hilarious. All right, my only wash spot near me. So, gotta pull up in here. Don't forget to roll the windows up. T-tops are already on, obviously, so don't have to worry about that. Because of the ceramic coat on this, it's, for the most part, somewhat easy to wash. Even though it doesn't really beat up anymore, it still gets the job done. Now, basically, I just have to go over this with this, and then dry the vehicle off. Back here is kind of bad. But yeah, looking good. Now I just have to dry it. All right, yeah, I'd say that's good enough for government work. Yep, you're gonna be looking pretty. Alrighty. And yeah, no, I just washed it, but whatever. Windows are going down. There's no AC in this thing, and it's way too hot for no windows down. Man, this is actually making me real happy that I'm actually able to do this photo shoot. Well, at least try to anyway. I may just pull the FRS out and throw this in the garage so I can finish detailing this and hope whatever that is passes, because we're doing this later at like golden hour. So actually, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull that out and then pull that in there, because it's gonna be a heck of a lot easier and nicer to clean this in the shade. Fans on right now, mainly to cool down the engine bay here, so I can also detail in here just a bit, because I want to clean up the valve cover in case we're going to get some engine bay shots, and also just have the battery charger on it so it can stay, well, consistently, you know, charged up as the fan is blowing. But for right now, I'm going to be using some of this 303 interior exterior ultimate UV protectant. This stuff works absolutely amazing. Kind of slightly gives a shine, but mainly also cleans and protects any surfaces from UV rays and stuff like that. So it's a really good cleaner and a really good just product to use. Not sponsored or anything, I really enjoy it, and I've been using it for a few years now, so yeah. Okay, I have her all dolled up now. I forgot to give you guys an update before I went into the house here. Engine bay is all nice and shiny, in case we need to do some shots of that. I have under here and all nice and shiny. Interior is all cleaned up. I need to put some tire shine on it and just vacuum the driver's side. And yeah, so come later this afternoon, we're going to head up to the mountains. So you guys are gonna see that pretty shortly. Well, this weather seems to be getting worse, maybe? It's tough. I don't know, worst case scenario, I slightly changed the photo shoot plans, because I had a photo shoot planned for this vehicle for quite some time, and the actual place that we initially wanted to go to do the shoot it's a little too far for today's shenanigans and everything going on with today with both of us. So we are trying to do somewhere closer, but aside from that, we may have to do something a little bit even more unconventional, which is perfectly fine. I'm just trying to get some real good, clean shots of this vehicle, because it's gonna be real good. So yeah, I guess you guys are gonna see me here shortly, probably here in a little bit, once I catch up with her. All right, met up with a wild Courtney here. And yeah, we're experiencing a lot of weather, rain and stuff.
Weather.
So we're just gonna full send it and go to the original location, Terrial,
Yes.
to be able to do this photo shoot.
We'll see how it goes. I think it's gonna be really nice once we get west.
Yeah.
I think once we get to the other side of the canyon, I think it'll be good.
Yeah, I hope so. We're gonna find out though. Okay, we made our first stop, doing some slight photography right on the edge of the road. This is fine.
is fine.
This is how we die.
Fine.
But yeah, slowly but surely we're making it to our destination. We've got, I don't know, maybe another 30, 45 minutes, something like that, to be able to do this. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. You guys will see soon. This is what the master is cooking up now. Oh, come on. Ah. Okay, well, that was pretty much the entire photo shoot, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. What did you think?
I thought it was good.
Yeah.
I'm quite pleased.
It's good.
Yeah.
I thought so too. So, can't wait for you guys to see it as well. I'll just probably throw some at the end of this video. Maybe I'll just throw them in another video or something like that, so you guys can follow along. Anyway, just remember to like, subscribe, share, and just remember, don't quit on a body that won't quit.